Friends, to our channel Teach Nagaland. In this video we'll start with exercise 8.2 trigonometry class 10. So the questions that they've given is evaluate the following: sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree, sine 30 degree, cos 60 degree. So in order for us to solve all these questions, we need to know the values of sine 60 degree, cos 30 degree, sine 30 degree, cos 60 degree. If we know these values, we'll just put them directly and we'll get the answer. So itu kan solve values kan chani boli do. In order to know all these values, there is a table. Okay, there is a table where we have to remember the values, the trigonometric ratios. So before we start solving all these problems, we have to first go and perhaps memorize some values. Okay, so itu solve no karagide, I'll go back and first start giving you some ideas how to remember the values in the table. Okay, so it was a table though. This is the table, and when I was in class 10, I had no option and I had to memorize the whole table. So it was a very painful thing, and once I could memorize the whole table, I was able to solve the questions. But you don't have to memorize the whole table. I'll show you some ideas how to remember this. I'll show you some ideas and tricks how to remember these values. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is, if we can somehow remember the value of sine theta, then we need to remember the values of sine theta, and I will show you the tricks how to remember the other values for cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Okay, so always remember that the trigonometric ratio value will be always from 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, 0 bra 90 tak hobo, 0 bra 90 tak hobo. Okay, so can we first remember that sine 0 degree? Okay, this is sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0. So you will see that it varies from 0 to 1, meaning if we can remember this, sine 0 is 0, okay, and sine 90 is 1. So 0 to 1 na itu remember korbi. Once again, sine 0 is 0, sine 0 degree is 0, sine 90 degree is 1. Once we remember this, it will be very easy for us. Now after that, the degrees are like this: 0, 30, 45, 60, or 90. These are the 5 degrees. Okay, now sine 0 is 0. Iti takanishna sine 0 to 0 ase, sine 90 to 1 ase. After this, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and sine 60 degree is root by 3 2. We have to remember this. We have to remember all these three. 0 or 1 though, it's very easy to remember. Now if you can see, sine for sine 0 value is 0. 30 degree karni half. Okay, half. 45 degree is 1 by root 2. This is other one is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, and this is 1. It to remember corely particularly though, we should be able to remember the other values. So once again, I'm requesting you, see, sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, now sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 degree, that is 1. If we can remember this, ito ini try to memorize correctly. No need to memorize the 0 and 1. We already know this. Sine 30 degree is half, sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, and this is root 3 by 2. If somehow we were able to remember all this, then our things will become very easy. Now what I will show you is from cos. Cos is nothing but the reverse of sine, because see, yati 0 to 1, sine is from 0 to 1, cos is nothing but 1 to 0. Ultai ho jabo ito cos value to. Okay, so my point here is sine 0 degree is 0. That means cos sine 90 degree is 1. That means cos 0 degree is 1 and cos 90 degree is 0. Reverse nishna na. Okay. After this, you'll observe that sine 45 degree and cos 45 degree is same. So if you remember, for sine 45 degree, the same value will hold true for cos 45 degree, and this half in this half same. No, reverse cross corrigido. So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. That is the value of cos 60 degree, and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. That is the value of cos 30 degree. So now once I have memorized the values of sine theta, the value of cos theta becomes very simple, because now cos 0 degree will be 1 and cos 90 degree will be 0. Na ulta ho jabo to aro cos 45 degree do same here 1 by root 2. Now sine 30 degree it was half, right? So this is actually nothing but cos 60 degree. It was same here, though, and sine 60 degree was root 3 by 2. This is nothing but cos 30 degree. Okay, so by remembering the values of sine theta, we can also derive cos theta from there. Okay, edu theta do pujilu. Now tan theta do kinia korbo? Tan theta wala do, see, tan 0 is 0, tan root 3 30 degree is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, and 60 degree is root 3, and for tan 90 degree the value is not there, it's not defined. Okay, so tan garnido, it's very easy to remember. I'll show you one trick. Just remember that tan 0 degree is 0. Okay, now remember that tan 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3. Now itu tuida remember korishi gole to tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 na. So the upper wala do tan 45 ase de, and niche wala root 3 do tan 60 degree ase. If you observe in the table, because see, tan 45, tan 30 degree do 1 by root 3 ase di, or this value is tan 45, and niche wala root 3 do tan 60. So it's very easy to remember. So just by looking once, I remember that. Okay, if I am asked to write tan 0 degree kiman ase, tan 30 degree kiman ase, tan 45 degree kiman ase, or how much is tan 60 degree, I now know that this is 0, this is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 degree is this 1, and tan 60 degree is this root 3. So it's very easy to remember again. We don't have to go and memorize the whole table. We just have to remember some certain values and derive the ideas from there. Aro itula pichiti do, all this remaining one will be just simply the reverse, as we have learned in the previous exercises. Previous exercise 8.1. Suppose look, sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, and sine 45 degree equals to 1 by root 2. Okay, now sine wala do cosec, right? It's cosec reverse. Sine and cosec to values to reverse as well. So cosec 0 will be simply reverse of 0. 0 la reverse to 0. So I'm sure the answer of sorry, not it's not defined, meaning like idulaga 0 do, it should be for explanation it's 0 by 1. So 1 by reverse will be, it should be 1 by 0, which is not defined. Anything a number cannot have 0 in the denominator, so it is called undefined. Okay, undefined. Now cos 0 degree is undefined, cosec 0 degree is undefined. Now cosec 30 degree will be the reverse of this, so it will be 2, and cosec 45 degree will be the reverse of this, it will be root 2. So here see 2 root 2 no, and this is root 3 by 2 takado, this is become reverse, that is root 2 by 3. and reverse of 1 is 1. Similarly for sec will be the reverse of cos, and cot will be the reverse of tan. Okay, so like I said, we don't have to remember the whole table. Once we remember certain values of sine, cos, tan, we should be able to solve. Okay, so in summary again, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree. Itu laga tinta dik par jai sabo. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, and this is root 3 by 2. Now, it'll be cos 30 degree, cos 45 degree, and cos 60 degree. Itu tinta value do hotishi bole do. Cos 30 degree is nothing but sine 60. So do sine 60. So this will be the value. Cos 45 degree and sine 45 degree is the same, and cos 60 degree will be 1 by 2. Now, easy to remember again. Again for tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 90 degree. So tan 130 degree 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree 1, tan 90 degree root 3. Okay, so this is how we remember the values of and most of the questions, it will be from here. Most of the questions will be from here. So this is how you remember the values for this. And I think now we might be able to, after we have a knack of all these values that we've remembered, I think we should be able to go and solve these questions. Na sabi do yedi bi bishi bak to 60 30 30 60 to 1 hi hodia 45 30 60 30 30 30 45. So I can't wait to solve this. So this should be very easy. So I'll solve this question in the next video. Thank you for watching. If I think I'm praying that you have understood how to remember this table. So if you have any problem, just go through the video once again, and I think things should be clear. Thank you.